The Day of Silence, or Nyepi, is one of the most important and holiest days for Balinese Hindus. It is a day for quiet self-introspection. However, the day immediately before Nyepi is anything but. This is Tawur Agung Kesanga, the day that is iconic for the Ogoh-Ogoh parades, which are these huge effigies that depict evil demon spirits that are meant to ward off negative energies. And one of the few temples that are outside of Bali that conduct these Ogoh-Ogoh parades annually is here in Pura Agung Wirasatya Buana in central Jakarta. So now, let's take a closer look at the festivities. For Balinese Hindus, the Ogoh-Ogoh tradition is an inseparable part of Nyepi celebrations, and in Jakarta, that is no exception. Pura Agung Wirasatya Buana is one of the temples in the capital that ensures Hindus living far from home can still experience their cultural and spiritual traditions. On Friday, the day before Nyepi, the temple organized an Ogoh-Ogoh parade through the bustling streets of Tanah Abang in central Jakarta. The temple's Ogoh-Ogoh, a large handcrafted demon effigy, was joined by another from Satria Loka Temple in Kalibata. As both were carried through the streets, it drew a crowd of enthusiastic spectators, both Hindu and non-Hindu alike. According to the priest of Pura Agung Wirasatya Buana, Igede Suparta, more than 200 Hindus living in central Jakarta took part in the night's festivities.
Kira-kira mungkin kurang lebih antara 200-300 orang dari umat Hindu yang ada di Jakarta Pusat yang nyungsung atau nyiwi Pura Agung Wirasatya Buana akan mengikuti acara Pawai Ogoh-Ogoh ini dalam rangka ngerupuk, akan mengambil nilai-nilai positif negatif yang ada di lingkungan kita, dimasukkan ke dalam raganya Ogoh-Ogoh untuk nantinya setelah selesai ngara Ogoh-Ogoh, kita akan perlindungi Ogoh-Ogoh itu supaya nilai-nilai negatif itu sirna, hilang.
Before the parade, worshippers gathered in the temple's inner sanctum for prayers. A short ritual was performed for the Ogoh-Ogoh before they were sent off on their symbolic journey. The Agung Wirasatya Buana Temple's Ogoh-Ogoh was named Sangkala Detya Geni, inspired by the mythical giant who is believed to punish souls in the underworld.
Ogoh-Ogoh ini bertema Ogoh-Ogoh Sangkala Detya Geni, ya, di mana diceritakan di neraka ada yang namanya kayak Cikrabala, menentukan arah roh kemana arah tujuannya. Roh yang jahat pasti akan menerima karmanya, kalau yang baik akan menerima juga karmanya seperti itu. Kami mengerjakan Ogoh-Ogoh ini selama 3 bulan, karena kami terbentuk juga dinas, ada kegiatan lain, jadi kita cicil dikit demi sedikit.
Following tradition, after the parade, the effigies were destroyed in a purification ceremony, symbolizing the cleansing of negative forces. As Nyepi, the Day of Silence, begins on Saturday, observant Hindus will refrain from all activity, including the use of fire, electricity, and entertainment, embracing a day of meditation and self-reflection. Though far from Bali, Balinese Hindus in Jakarta continue to preserve their traditions, finding a sense of community and togetherness, even on the quietest day of the year. Arya Siddhartha and Nugrahanto Margo for See Today.